Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get this like subspace fish on Fisch. So you're going to get the exalted, I don't know what it's called, like how to pronounce it, the exalted relic. And you're obviously going to just go to the, I don't remember what area it was like underground, and you're going to basically interact with the stones until you get the quantum like enchantment on your rod. Make sure you selected the correct rod. It doesn't work with the normal enchanted relic, so you need the exalted relic. You're just going to keep trying, so make sure you have a lot, and you're just going to pray that you'll get the quantum enchantment on your rod, and you'll get the subspace fishes, which it will sell like 4 times I think the normal fish price, so it's good if you want to sell the fishes so you can get more money. Again, it doesn't always show up, like as you can see, it's not like showing up like the pink fishes. I've been catching the normal ones, but I just caught 2. It wasn't on camera, but the one that I just showed you guys I just caught. So yeah, make sure you get the exalted relic to get the quantum enchantment on your rod. For this one, oh see, there we go, we got a subspace fish like this. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.